I found something really cool that I think that those of you who own Toyotas should definitely check out, because it was so impacted with dirt that, I'm not kidding, like probably a quarter pound of dirt came out of it. So here's what I want to show you for you Toyota guys. Underneath your airbox, there's this piece right here. This is the bottom of the factory airbox in the Toyota. And there's this hood that sits right here, like this, right? It's got this little opening that lets rocks and large debris come out, right? So I took that off, and sitting, covering this entire hole, was this. Just years of crap just impacted there. When I pulled that out, dirt came out of here, and a whole bunch of dirt poured out of here that covered all of this out here. I mean, I'm not kidding. Like, my neighbor was walking by and he was like, holy shit. And so was I. I mean, it was like a lot of dirt. Like, it was just flowing out like a sandbox. So, it turns out that these Toyotas, I think it's only the 2010 and up, they have a particle separator already built in to the airbox. Here, I'll show you one more time. So check it out. There's this piece here. So what's happening is, keep in mind, this is upside down. So in the truck, it's actually the other way. So they have this built in, and what this is this is a particle separator, right? So when the air is being sucked in through the fender, it creates this cyclonic effect, and then gravity sends it to the bottom, right, into this pit right here, which then gets ejected through this hole, right? So this piece sits right there. So obviously this thing is that way to not allow a lot of stuff to go back into there, to get sucked in, right? But because it's relatively small, don't get me wrong, these are really soft. Like, you can open them, you could blow on these and they'll open. They're really soft. So heavy stuff will get through, but stuff like this light stuff, this little like kind of furry, like, you know, just lint, that stuff won't get through, and it'll build up and pack right here, preventing all the sand, all the rocks, and everything just sitting on the bottom of this tube, which is exactly what happened when I broke this open and flipped it over. Like, here's some more. Here's a little pile of sand that was in there. All this stuff was in there. So if you own a newer Toyota or 4Runner, make sure that you are cleaning this out, because you probably have a lot of stuff stuck on the bottom of this tube. All right, guys. Just the weird stuff you learn when you're taking shit apart. I'll catch you guys later. I gotta try and finish this project before the sun goes down. All right. Peace out.